In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Hell Is Us on PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to search up this game on Steam quickly before we can continue to another website to download this game and save yourself a lot of money. Now the next step is of course to search up the Steam website, and after that we will continue to the other website with the workaround. So search up the game Hell Is Us, and after that select it. Scroll a little bit down, and as you can see we can find this game for €49.99, very expensive if you ask me. But don't worry, we got that workaround. Go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Now once you have done that, you will be redirected to this webpage. After that we will search the same game Hell Is Us, so search for the game, and after that we will select games on the left side. Now sort by price lowest first, and then you will see that this game is much cheaper. Select the game, always check if it is the PC version, and make sure this text is marked green so it can be activated in your country. Select the game. Now you will see that we already can download this game for just €24.09 compared to the Steam price of €49.99. So this will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online. If you buy this game at this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game through Steam, but much cheaper. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!